First, draw 9 equal squares or just screenshot this page and print it as a drawing guide. We are drawing Jerry, the structured rock Mega Minion from the movie Despicable Me 4. The picture is drawn at a faster speed so that you can use the YouTube control below to adjust the video to the speed you are comfortable with. Don't forget to stop the video as needed also to help you draw. Keep in mind, although grid lines are provided to help assist with the positioning of the drawn lines, you do not have to be exact. Notice his circular body is not a smooth lined circle but is a rough, uneven lined surface. This is because he is a rock with uneven edges. So just draw and do not worry about matching the lines I draw. Anything is acceptable if the main idea is kept. You can see and learn more about Jerry and the other Mega Minions in the 2024 animated comedy film produced by Universal Pictures and Illumination, which is distributed by Universal. It is the follow-up sequel to Despicable Me 3, which came out in 2017. From this point on, I am just drawing lines any which way to make it look like the unevenness of a rock. Just draw lines any way you wish, it doesn't matter. Because of that, I am drawing at a faster speed. Once you have finished, be sure to color your picture with whatever you like to use. Have fun, and see you next time on our next drawing.